Good day, students. Today we will talk about the case of gasping garbage. So, first, we define what the word case is. So, case is spelled as C-A-S-E. It means situation requiring or needs to be known. It needs to be known. So again, what is a case? So a case is a situation requiring or needs to be known. Alright, so now let's define gasping. What is gasping? Gasping is spelled as G-A-S-P-I-N-G. Alright, gasping. So it means what? Means what? Alright, let's define gasping. It means catches breath with open mouth. Okay, here gasping referring to the garbage. So gasping, garbage. So where is the garbage here? It's this one. The garbage is this one. See this? It says here gasping garbage, like the cover. So it looks like it has a mouth. So it looks like this is a mouth. Yeah. So catches breath with open mouth. So the garbage looks like it's opening its mouth. All right. Now so we know already that what case is and what gasping is. Also what a garbage what the garbage looks like. Alright, so let's proceed to this summary. Alright, so now summary, this is the conclusion, or what is the story about. So this story is about blank. It's about Doyle and who? It's about Doyle and who? It's about Doyle and Fossey. Alright. So what they are doing? What they are doing? They are solving the problems of they are solving the problems like the monster in the trash. So this one, they are solving the problems like the monster in the trash. So where's the monster in the trash? So a monster in the trash looks like, so monster in the trash. So there's a monster. This one is a monster. He is in the trash. So this one, monster in the trash. All right. So Doyle and Fossey are solving problems. So like this. So why are there monsters in the trash? So let's proceed. And also one example of the problem they are solving is this. The truck being stuck. See the truck. Truck being stuck in a bridge. So this one truck, it's stuck in a bridge. So this one, the bridge. So what's the meaning of stuck? Stuck. So it's stuck. This stuck means cannot move forward. Okay, so it cannot move forward. Okay, so those are the examples of the problems they are solving. So now we go to vocabulary. So now I will discuss to you the words that you may encounter in this particular story when you read it. So this one, this word is analysis. So it means a careful, detailed examination. So what is analysis? So it's a careful, detailed examination. Okay, I will proceed to this. All right, and then so now my question is, what is a careful, detailed examination? What is a careful, detailed examination? It's analysis. So, are we correct? Yes, so it's the same, analysis. What about this? Beakers are flat-bottom glass containers. So, what are flat-bottom glass containers? You're right, those are beakers. What about here? Hollow. having an empty space inside. Hollow. So I will, this one, see, hollow is spelled as Hollow. So I will put it back again. Having an empty space inside. So what does a thing that has empty space inside? It's, okay, I will count down. 3, 2, 1. I hope your guess is correct. It's hollow. Alright. And then this is identify. It means who or what someone or something is. So identify. I-D-E-N-T-I-F-Y. Identify. So now I will cover it, and then you have to answer in 3, 2, 1. Again, who or what someone or something is. It's, the word should be identify. Alright. So now let's proceed to this. So lecture. L-E-C-T-U-R-E. Lecture. So I will lecture. It means an educational speech or on a particular topic. So this one is in 3, 2, 1. Okay, what's the answer? So, what is an educational speech on a particular topic? It's a lecture. Okay. Now, let's proceed to answering this worksheet. Okay. So, it says here, choose the word from the bank below and write the missing word for each. So, for example, this one. What is a careful, detailed examination? It's what is a careful, detailed examination? It's analysis. So, what will you put in this? You write analysis. So you just copy, sorry, again. Okay, just copy this one, analysis, this one, analysis here. So like write analysis like that. I mean here, and like that. So analysis. Alright. So for this, number 2 should be, alright.
Kindly, all teacher to be attend meeting with the principal on Microsoft Teams right now. Kindly, all teachers to be attend meeting with the principal